Hi, my name is Rick Schnabel. Many years ago, I had an epiphany that completely changed my financial world. Now, on the topic of money mind and how to grow your financial attraction, the one question that I get asked most is how do you break through a poverty mindset? And the second question is, where do you start? I'd like to answer both of those questions in this video. Now, to generate a powerful transformation, I like to use the acronym A.P.P.L.E to explain this. A.P.P.L.E stands for Aware, Plan, Prepare, Leave, and Educate. Let me explain how to grow your financial attraction using A.P.P.L.E. The very first step is to create a shift in your financial attraction is to become aware. What am I talking about? I'm talking about become aware of the limits of your own conditioning. Every time you say, I can't afford that, or when you wince or squirm when asking for money or a raise, you're actually telling your body and your mind how much or how little you're worth. Become aware of what you say and do that actually limits you. These are the things that you do automatically and unconsciously. The trick is to stop doing them. But of course, we both know how hard it is to actually alter your unconscious conditioning. So the answer is in the next two steps. The next step is plan. What is your strategy to alter your conditioning? Because it's not going to happen by itself. Personally, I found NLP to be the most effective set of transformational tools to create personal change. In fact, Psychology Today magazine agree. They said that NLP is the most powerful vehicle for personal change in existence. Now, if you're not going to use NLP, then what is going to be your strategy to alter your conditioning? Because nothing will change if you don't change. The inner work is where the benefits start. So the third step is to prepare. Prepare to apply your plan to do the actual inner work. Changing here makes all the difference. So change your mindset. Now, this actually means altering your beliefs about you and money, changing your income patterns and all your negative associations with money. The great thing about learning NLP is your training company will have a schedule to learn. So all you have to do is turn up and learn. And this is the most important step. The fourth step is to leave your limited mind behind. And of course, this is just as important. Let go of all of your associations you have to your old limited ways of thinking. Consciously stop any and all the patterns that tell you that you're not worth investing in. Change how you even walk if you have to. Start walking into meetings with your head held high. Allow yourself to see yourself as valuable, powerful, intelligent, and a worthy member of society or your community. New behaviors create new possibilities. This you can actually start doing right now, today. Your money mindset is like a balloon. Every time you feel low or bad about yourself, it's like a pin that actually pricks your balloon and deflating your self-esteem. The more energy leaks, the smaller your balloon actually gets, and the smaller the amount of money you attract into your life. Self-esteem is definitely connected to the amount of money that you can attract in your life. Money is an energy, and you must do all you can to help your energy to keep it up instead of down. And finally, never, ever stop learning. Educate is the last piece of the apple. Educate yourself about money. business, value, and self-esteem to alter your mindset to a much, much richer way to think. Ask yourself at every crossroad, before every decision, how do rich people think? Or what is a richer way to think? If you want to master the last step and all the steps to growing your money mind, and you want to learn how to grow your financial attraction, you can do all of that with just this one book and/or learn NLP. Everything you need to know is in my book, A Richer Way to Think. I'll make sure that I put a link below in the description if you want to get that book. And I recommend that you read it fully and slowly. Your life can be blessed and abundant when you hold a much richer way to think. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe if you would like to learn more from my videos. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.